Katniss, grabe, sobrang nakaka-proud ka as a former coach sa Team Bedkada. Kasi like yung sinabi ni Coach Megs kanina, yung song na to, ibang genre siya from yung mga na-perform mo before, but you nailed it and you really gave it your best. And you know, as someone who's an audience tonight, sobrang nakaka-proud and nakahanga. Um, I really wish that you move to the next round because like as a kid na sobrang bait and as an artist na sobrang daming iniwang offer. Like, I really believe.
Yung kay Katniss, meron siyang nalabas na tunog na never namin narinig nung nasa team namin siya. Kaya good job din kay Coach Billy kasi na-push niya siya out of her comfort zone into exploring something na nasa loob niya na gusto niyang ilabas.